Are you ready to start your own business in 2025? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, we've got 20 of the best small business ideas for beginners. Stay till the end because number one is a hidden gem that many people overlook. Print-on-demand POD business. Design t-shirts, mugs, or posters, and let print-on-demand services handle production and shipping. Platforms like Printify and Redbubble make it easy. Digital marketing agency. With businesses going online, digital marketing services are in high demand. Start with social media management or SEO consulting. Dropshipping business. No inventory needed. Partner with suppliers and sell trending products online without worrying about storage or shipping. AI content creation services. Use AI tools to create blog posts, videos, or social media content for businesses. AI is the future of content creation. Handmade crafts and Etsy store. If you love DIY crafts, sell your handmade jewelry, candles, or art on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Personal finance consulting. Help people manage their money, budget effectively, or invest wisely. If you're good with finances, this is a great low-cost business. Virtual assistant services. Busy entrepreneurs need help with emails, scheduling, and admin tasks. Start a VA business with just a laptop. YouTube automation channel. Like this one, you can create YouTube videos without showing your face by outsourcing script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Fitness coaching, online and offline. Offer virtual fitness coaching or personal training. Create workout plans, nutrition guides, or sell fitness courses. Subscription box business. Curate niche products and sell subscription boxes. Ideas include snacks, self-care kits, or book clubs. 10. Real estate photography and videography. Help realtors sell homes with professional photography and drone videography. A great business for photographers. 9. Mobile car detailing. Bring car detailing services to customers' driveways. Low startup cost and high demand. 8. Home cleaning and organization services. People are willing to pay for professional cleaning and decluttering services. Start small and scale up. 7. Ebook publishing on Amazon KDP. Write and publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. A passive income business if done right. 6. AI chatbot and automation services. Businesses need AI chatbots for customer service. Learn how to build them and sell your service. 5. Online course creation. If you have expertise, teach others through online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy. 4. Rental business, party supplies, equipment, etc. Rent out party supplies, camera gear, or tools. A great way to earn recurring income. 3. Social media influencer affiliate marketing. Promote products on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. 2. Local event planning. Weddings, birthdays, and corporate events need planners. If you're organized, this is a great business. 1. AI-powered freelancing services. Use AI to speed up freelance work in writing, graphic design, video editing, and more. The future is AI. And that's our list. Which business idea excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to your Brainy Bites for more business insights.